తెలిసాయి కదా. మేడం ఇప్పుడు మీతో అన్ని రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ షేర్ చేశారు, అవును కదా. సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ అ టైమ్, సో వి విల్ మూవ్ ఫర్ ద MCQ questions. Okay, so one question will only will be getting the 1 minute time. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen now. I hope all the students were prepared well, and all the best for you people all. So do well. Okay, so take your pen, paper, and write your names and all. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so time begins now. Your first question will be,
Meeta ma'am,
yes ma'am.
you can read the question also ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. So, what is the value of the sine 150 degree? So, here you will be getting the four options. The first option will be root 3 by 2, and the second option will be 1 by 2, and the C option will be minus 1 by 2, and the D option will be minus root 3 by 2. Okay.
Ma'am, if possible, can you please enlarge a little more? Font size?
Sure, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am? Is it
Yes,
visible?
yes.
నాకు ఇక క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చారు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ సైన్ 158? చేయగలవా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద సైన్?
Kindly write your answers in the sheets, please.
లీవ్.
Don't write the answer in the chat box, madam. It is a test, MCQ test we are conducting. The best student will be awarded with Vidya Shakti champion. The schools, it is a kind of competition. Write the answer in your answer sheet and submit into the class teacher.
Okay, so we are moving for the second question. Here you have the second question. The solution set of the inequality 3x minus 7 greater than 2 into the bracket x minus 6 is. So you have to find the solution for this inequality. So you will be having the four options. So option A will be x is greater than minus 5, x is less than minus 5, and the C option will be x is greater than 5, and the D option will be x is less than 5.
మీరు ఉండండి, ఫోటో తెస్తాను.
Okay, so we will move for the next question. That will be the third question. See, this will be the third question. A student has to answer 8 questions out of 10. In how many ways can the student choose the questions? The first option will be, A option will be 10 factorial, and the option B is 80, and the option C is 180, and the option D is 45.
Zoom little more. Good, good.
Students, you have to be very fast. So if you know the answer, calmly do that one. Kindly mute yourself, please. Students, kindly mute yourself. Okay, so we are moving for the next question. And your fourth question will be, which of the following points is a solution to the inequality 2x plus 3y, which is greater than 6? So again here you will be having the four options. Option A is the points 1 comma 1, and the option B is 2 comma 0, and the option C is 0 comma 2, option D is 3 comma 1. Kindly mute yourself. Okay, so we are moving for the next question.
Ma'am, 1 second, 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Okay. So here you have the fifth question, that is the inequality modulus of x minus 3 is less than 2, which is equivalent to. So here again you have the options. Option A is 1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, and the option B is minus 1 is less than or less than x, and again it is less than 5. Option C is x less than 1 or x greater than 5, and the option D is x less than 5. Kindly mute yourself, students.
అబ్బాయిలు ఈ
Yes, ma'am. Next
Okay,
question.
so we will move for the next question. And your sixth question will be the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 is. So here you are having the options as option A, all the real numbers, and the option B, all real numbers except 1, and the option C is all the real numbers except minus 2, and the last option D is x greater than 2. Students, kindly mute yourself. Okay, so we are moving for the next question. And the seventh question will be, so here it is the seventh question. Find the integral of 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So here you are having the four options. Option A, 6x minus 4 plus c. Option B, x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus c. And the option C, 3x cube by 3 minus 4 by 2x square plus 5x plus c. And the option
Excuse me,
D,
ma'am.
yes sir.
It is not from the first MPC 11th class. This question is not from 11th class.
All are from the 11th class only, sir, madam.
Integration is not in 11th class.
Okay, so I will at the seventh question at the last. So again, you will be having the eighth question. Using a point slope form with 2 comma 3 and m is equal to 1, what will be the equation of line? So here you are having the options. A option is y is equal to x plus 1, and the option B, y is equal to x minus 1, and the option C, y is equal to minus x plus 5, and the option D, y is equal to minus x minus 1. Everybody kindly mute yourself. APMC Nandavaram, please mute yourself. Okay, so we are moving for the next question. The question number 9. What is the equation of the line that passes through the origin that has a slope of 3? So here you are having the option A, y is equal to x plus 3, and y is equal to 3x, and the option C, y is equal to 3x plus 1, and the option D, y is equal to 31x. Okay, so we are moving further for the 10th question. And here you have the 10th question as the distance between the points 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 7. And here you have the options as square root of 13. Option B is 5. Option C is square root of 25. And the option D is 10. So we are moving further, students. For the next question, that will be your 11th question will be, what is the slope of the line perpendicular to y is equal to 4x minus 1? So here you have the options as 4, minus 4, 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4.
The sun.
Students, kindly mute yourself.
ఇద్దండి మేడం నా ఫోన్ లో వస్తుంది మీ ఫోన్ లో ప్రాబ్లం రమ్మ మీద వస్తుందా
Kindly mute yourself, teachers, please. Okay, so we are moving further for the next question. So the 12th question, that will be the equation of a line with x-intercept minus 4 and y-intercept is 5. So you will be having the options A is equal to, sorry, option A 5x minus 4y equal to minus 20, and the option B 5x minus 4y equal to 20, option C 4x plus 5y equal to 20, and the option D 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, students, we are moving further for the 13th question. And your 13th question is the distance of the point 3, 4 from the x-axis is. So again you are having the options as option A 3, option B 4, and option C 5, and the option D is 7. Okay, so we are moving further now. So your next question will be, so here you have the next question. How many three-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetitions? So you will be having the four options. Option A 120, option B 60, option C 20, and the option D is 125. Okay, students. So we are moving for the next question now. So the next question will be, so here you have the 15th question. In how many ways can a 5 boys and a 3 girls be arranged in a row such that no two girls are together? So you are having the option number A, that is 14,400, option B 7,200, option C 3,600, option D 120. Okay, students. So we are moving for the next question. So your 16th question is, here you have the 16th question. How many committees of 3 people can be formed from a group of 5 men and 4 women? Option A 84, option B 168, option C 720, option D 252. We are moving further now. So your next question will be, so here it is your next question. Find the value of 8C3. Option A is 56, option B is 24, option C is 35, and option D is 8. Okay, students. So we are moving further question. So your next question will be, so here you have the 18th question. What is the third term in the expansion of x plus y power 5? So here you have the options as 5x cube y square, and the option B 10x cube y square, and the option C 10x square y cube, and option D 5x square y cube. So we are moving for the next question, students. So your next question will be the 19th question. The coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus x power 6 is option A is 6, option B is 10, option C is 15, and the option D is 20. Okay, so we will move for the next question now. So the next question will be that is your 20th question. The number of terms in the expansion of 2x minus 3y power 10. So here you are having the options as option A 10, option B 11, option C 9, and option D 12. Okay, students. So we are moving for the next question now. So your 21st question will be the eighth term of the arithmetic progression with the first term 5 and the common difference is 4. You have to find the eighth term. So here you are having the options as option A 33, option B 37, option C 35, and option D 39. Okay, students. So we are moving further question. So your next question will be that is the 22nd question. The common ratio of the geometric series 3, 6, 12 so on is option A 2, option B 3, option C 6, option D 1 by 2. Okay, so we are moving the further questions. So your next question will be The 23rd question is, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 1, comma 2, comma 4, so on. So here you are having the option A as 512, option B as 1023, option C as 1024, and the option D as 2046. Okay, students, we are moving further question. So your 24th question will be, so what is the sixth term of the geometric series? So expansion has given as 81, comma 27, comma 9, so on. So here you are having the options as option A 6, option B 1 by 3, option C 1 by 9, and option D 1 by 27. Okay, so we will move for the last question now. Okay, so then that will be the 25th question. If the third term of geometric progression is 12 and the sixth term is 96, what is the first term? Option A 3, option B 6, option C 2, and the option D is 1.5. Okay, so these all are the 25 questions. So as if that madam has been informed that integration is not for your portion, so I am changing that question as differentiation. That seventh question that I have asked for the difference integration, but I'm changing it for the differentiation. So find the differentiation of, find the, this will be the seventh question, as I have included it as a integration, but you don't have the integration as a syllabus, so I have changed it as a differentiation. Find the differentiation of 3x square minus 4x plus 5u. So here you will be having the options. Option A 6x minus 4, option B x cube minus 2x square plus 5u, option C 3x square x cube by 3 minus 4 by 2x square plus 5ux, and the option D is x cube minus 4x square plus 5ux. Okay, so I hope all the students were done your questions, right? So all of you has done. Kindly exchange your sheets, mention your name as well as college and class, everything, and exchange with your beside friends. So to correct the answers, I will share the answers now for those all the questions. Kindly exchange your sheets. Okay, so hope you people were exchanged your sheets. Shall we check out the answers? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
I will share the answers now with you people. Okay, so I hope the screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
You can.
so this will be the first question for you people. So here what has been asked, the first question is what is the value of the sine 150 degree? So here the answer will be the B option 1 by 2. So how you people were doing this one? So we have to take this one as 150 degree equal to 180 minus 30 degree, or either you can consider it as 90 plus 60. So if you apply the sine over there means, so using the allied angles you will get it as a sine 30 degree, and the answer will be 1 by 2. Okay, so and the second question, so for the second question, so you are having the solution set of inequalities 3x minus 7 which is greater than 2 into the bracket x minus 6. Okay, so here the answer is x greater than minus 5. So as if I have told in the class that how to solve the equations, so here you have to solve the x equation. So 2 take inside the bracket, so here you are going to get the such a equation to cancel the x variables. So what we are doing, we are doing the subtract by 2x, and we are going to get this one as x minus 7 which is greater than minus 12. So after that we are going to get it as x greater than minus 12 plus 7. So finally we will get the answer as x greater than minus 5. Okay, so further, so here you are having the third question. The students to answer 8 questions out of 10. In how many ways can the students choose the questions? Okay, so the answer will be the 45. How means, already you know the combination rule. What is the combination rule? NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So instead of n, you have to add the value of the 10, and you have to consider r as a 8. Here it should be NC8. Okay, so applying the formula, you will if you solve this equation means you are going to get answer as 45. Similarly, so for the next question, which of the following points is a solution to the inequality? So for this one, you have to check all the options. So first to put the value of the x and y in the equation. So here, from here you will get to know, so which one is the inequality. The option 4, for the fourth question, the answer is D, that is 3 comma 1. And further, fifth question. So here you are having the inequality modulus of x minus 3 which is less than 2. For that one, what you have to do? So here we are taking the property as modulus of x minus a is less than b. However, it will be mentioned as, or it is equivalent to minus b less than x minus a less than b. So replace the value of the a and b over the as 3 and 2. So on that basis, we will say that one option A is the correct answer. Next one. So for the sixth question, the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So how? Here the options are, the correct answer is the B, that is all real numbers except 1. So how we were going to consider? So here, so if you put the x is equal to 1 means the function will be undefined. So that's why what we are taking here. So if we take x minus 1 is equal to 0, then you will get the x is equal to 1. So excluding the value of the 1, so it will be the all real numbers except 1 will be the answer. Okay, so here for the seventh one, so here you will be having the differentiation of 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So the differentiation will be 6x minus 4. This is a not C. So this will be a, so I have changed this question. So you won't get a C over there. So the A will be the correct answer. Okay, so the eighth question, using the point slope form 2 comma 3 and m is equal to 1, what will be the equation of the line? So you have already know what will be the slope point form, that is y minus y naught is equal, y minus y naught is equal to m into the bracket x minus x naught. So add the values of the y naught and x naught here, you will get the equation as y is equal to x plus 1, and that is the option A is the correct answer for the eighth question. And the ninth question will be the, what is the equation of the line that passes through the origin and has a slope of 3? So for here, what you have to do? You have to take the equation of the line. What is that equation of the line? Y is equal to mx plus c, and the slope has been given as a 3. So mention 3 here. So after that, they have mentioning it as passing through the origin. Origin means it is containing the 0, 0. So for that one, the equation will be, that is option B, y is equal to 3x with the answer for the ninth question. And the next question is the distance between the 2 points 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 7. So you have to use the distance formula. What is that formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1 whole square. This will be the under root. So if you add those values, and you will get the answer as option B, 5. Similarly, for the next question, what is the slope of the line perpendicular to the y is equal to 4x minus 1? So already we have know the perpendicularity condition. What is that perpendicularity condition? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 will be there. So using that one, so if we consider m1 as a 4, because this equation, according to this equation, this is our value of the m. So I am considering this one as the m, and for that one, the slope perpendicular to the line reciprocal to m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. So the slope for the next line will be the, that is minus 1 by 4. So the option D is the correct answer for the 11th question. So further moving for the next one, the equation of the line with x-intercept is minus 4 and the y-intercept is 5. So according to this, so we are having the intercept formula. What is that formula? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So substitute the values of the x-intercept and y-intercept over there, and you are going to get the equation as that. Correct answer is for the 12th question, option B, 5x minus 4y, which is equal to 20 is the correct answer. Okay, so the next question is the distance of the point 3 comma 4 from the x-axis is. So here, so we are having the x coordinate represent the horizontal distance and the y coordinate represent the vertical distance. So for that one, so the distance of a point from the x-axis, simply this will be the absolute value of the y coordinate. So that means we have to take this one as the modulus of 4. So modulus of 4 means, so in this one, so we are having the option B as a 4. That is your answer for the 13th question. For the 14th question, so how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition? So for this, we are having the already formula. What is that formula? That is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So if you solve this one, n is equal to, you have to put the 5 and r is equal to 3, and you will get the answer as 60. So the option B is the correct answer. Here you will be having, in how many ways can a 5 boys and a 3 girls can be arranged in a row such that no 2 girls are together. So here what you have to do, so here we have to arrange in that way. That means 1 boy, 1 girl, 1 boy, 1 girl. So in that way we have to arrange. So for that one we will getting the formula as, so can you see here, that is the total number of ways is 5 factorial into p of 6 comma 3. If you solve these 5 factorial and p of 6 comma 3, you will get the answer as 14,400. So your correct answer is, that is A, 14,400. 16th question is, how many committees of 3 people can be formed from a group of 5 men and 4 women? So here again you have to use the formula of the combination. So if you solve that one, you will get the answer as option A, 84. For the 16th question, 84 is the correct answer. Next one is, find the value of the 8C3. So you have already know the combination formula. So using that formula, put the value of the N and R. So you will get the option as A. That is, if you solve that one, you will get the correct answer as 56. That is option A, 56. So next one is 18th question. What is the third term in the expansion of x plus y power 5? So here you can do the two ways over there. The one is the, you are having the expansion already, the binomial theorem expansion, a plus b power n, that is nc0 into a power n. So that formula you have to use, or either if you want to use the general form which is using in the summation wise, that also you can use. Okay, so here after solving, so you are going to get the third term as 10x cube into y square. Option B is the correct answer for the 18th question. For the 19th question, the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus x power 6 is. So here you have to find the coefficients again using the binomial theorem. So you have the expansion of the binomial theorem. So using that one, so you are going to get the x power 4 term coefficient is 15. That is option C. 15 is the correct answer. For the 20th one, so you are having the number of terms in the expansion 2x minus 3y power 10. So how many number of terms you are having in this particular expansion means totally 11, because n plus 1 terms will be present in the binomial expansion. So the correct answer is option B. 21st question will be the 8th term of the arithmetic progression. So already you know the what is the formula for the arithmetic progression. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So if you add all the values over there and if you solve means, you are going to get the answer as 33. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. So further, 22nd question. The ratio of the geometric series 3 comma 6 comma 12 is. So you have to find the ratio. How you are going to find? 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and 12 divided by 6, that is 2. So what is the ratio of this geometric series? That is 2. The option A is the correct answer. Similarly, the 23rd question. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 1, 2, 4, so on. You are already knowing the you are already know the formula of the sum of the first n terms for the GP, that is Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So here if you add all the values of A, R and N, so you are going to get the answer as 1023. That is option B. So for the option, the next question will be 24. That is the, what is the sixth term of the geometric series for this equation? Okay, for this sequence. So here we are having the, again you know the combination, that is an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So for to find the sixth term you have to add all the values. So you are going to get the values as 1 by 3. That is option B. And further, the last question, that is, if the third term of the GP is 12 and the sixth term is 96, what is the first term? So here you have to take this one as AR square is equal to 20 and AR power 5 is equal to 96. So take out the ratios of these two. You are going to get that value as, that is a. So here you are going to get the value as r cube is equal to 8 and r value as a 2. So using this one, so if you add this value in any one of these equation means you are going to get the a value as 3. The correct option is, that is A. That is 3 is the correct option. I hope you people were got all the answers. Okay, so all of you got the answers right? Thank you. Thank you one and all. So you people were very well participated in the in this MCQ test. Hope you people find any truthful from here so you can use it in the examination. Thank you teachers. Thank you students. Thank you Vidya Shakti. Thank you one and all. Jai Vidya Shakti.